Yo, what's up guys? Bart Bregman here from Toro Demo Trading.com. Hope you guys doing well during these horrific times currently in Rio right now. But let's dive into it. This video is going to about shorting and the difference between shorting and closing your trade on eToro, because there is a little difficulty or a little bit of understanding that you need to know when you're beginning with trading, the difference between shorting and selling a trade. And it can be a little bit confusing, bring a little bit confusion in the terminology. So nevertheless, always visit our website for more trading tips, also for advanced traders. But this video is going to be for beginner traders, how to short. And I'll make this schematic thing a little bit, this image, to make it a little bit more understandable. Of course, we all understand trading itself. We have our broker eToro. And with that broker, we can buy a share of Tesla. And if we buy that share, what we get is one share of Tesla, which is very understandable. So this red one here represents one share of Tesla. Now, when we want to eliminate that share of Tesla, when we have bought it, then we have to sell it back to the broker. And that will result in +1 and -1 share. What happens with short selling is that we first gonna sell and then gonna buy back. If I show that with a box, you're first gonna sell a share, and then when you have sold the share at a different price, you want to buy it back. And that it can be really confusing. It sounds really confusing, but I'm going to explain you that with the eToro platform itself, of course. And when you're closing a trade, it's just that you're closing the position you currently have. So in this case, we have bought one share and we want to close down our position, so we have to sell it. And in the short position here, we have sold one share and we're going to buy it back, and then you're closing your position as well. So with that, I hope that's a little bit more understandable. Now let's dive into the eToro platform and see how that works from out of there. Oh. Alright, so on our website, you can always click on the link, or there's a link in the description to go to the eToro platform. If you haven't had a account with eToro yet, it's very easy to do so, and it will help out the channel if you click our specific link, of course, to help you out. So you're just gonna log in. We're gonna log in, not make an account because we already have one, and we're gonna do some demo trade here. All right, then once you're logged into your eToro platform, you're just gonna find your asset. We're gonna take Bitcoin in this example because Bitcoin is really gaining popular at the moment, gaining popularity. It's just broke almost through the new high, or the previous highs. Anyway. With eToro, just going to click on trade, and let's zoom in there a little bit. And then you can see sell and buy. And what eToro is a very convenient platform. What it allows you to do, it allows you to directly sell it. But then you first sell it and later have to buy it back, as we spoke earlier in the graph. So here, selling in eToro means shorting. And once you open the position, I can show you that. Let's do that in this virtual trading account, of course, because we only trade with virtual money. So you're going to open the trade. There we go. And now I have to go to portfolio. So you go to portfolio, you're in the Bitcoin, and then you have the option here to close down the trade with the little cross over here. And you can update the trade, buy more, buy less, whatever you want to do. But this is currently a short position because we first sold and now we're going to buy it back. And by closing the trade, you're just going to christen the road, and it says here close trade. And you can also just close partially position of your trade. And it shows you automatically 50%, or you want to do it by units. Depends how you want to do it. So I can now close half the trade. And now half the trade is closed, of course, with a loss, but I can close everything, and that is what they say with selling your stocks is closing your trade. So it's a slightly different terminology that's going to be used with shorting and selling, but that's how it works on eToro. There is one thing you need to know more about shorting, is with shorting you can lose more than your original investment. That, for example, happens when you short something and it goes so dramatically up, which is not good when you try to short it, of course, that you double your investment. So you lose more than 100% and it keeps going up, up and up. In that case, you can lose more than your original investment, because when you buy something, it can only go to zero. When you short something, it can, of course, double in price and then keep growing, keep growing, keep growing, and that can result in that you lose more than your original demo trading balance investment. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to visit our Toro Demo Trading website. We have lots of trading tools. We're working currently hard to add more new free trading tools to add on to the website that it will help improve your trading. We got lots of information, strategies and whatnot. So if you have some spare time, check it out. Otherwise, keep trading and stay safe. Thank you for watching. This is Bart Bregman.